Hey all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I want to show you how to create this cute little bunny peeking behind a flower carrot for your door. I hope you like this video, and if you do, click like and subscribe. For the base, start with this wire trellis from the 99-cent store. They call them yard shelves. Go figure, looks like a trellis to me. You'll also need 2 of these grass bundles from the Dollar Tree. We'll be removing the butterflies and just using the grass bundle part. You'll also need some orange flowers. I'm using these Cosmos and Gerbera daisies from the Dollar Tree. Also from the Dollar Tree, you'll need these bunnies, 2 of them. One says happy and the other says spring. You'll need a roll of twist ties, or if you twine, that will do too. You really won't see them. Let's start by cutting the wire trellis in half using wire cutters. Leave the bottom 2 sections with a crossbar and cut off the top sections. Now if you have one of the witch's hats left over from the Dollar Tree from Halloween, you can use that. Just cut off the brim area and leave the triangular metal base. Once you have the metal triangle, take the twist ties or the twine and weave it across the top of the largest part of the triangle. Just weave it in and out, in front of and behind the bars. And continue weaving all the way down, leaving about an inch of space between each row. Basically what you're doing is you're creating a place for you to touch the flowers. Now here I've woven rows all the way to the bottom. And I think that some of the squares at the top are a little bit big, so I'm just going to weave a couple of rows from top to bottom. Once that is done, pull the flower heads off the cosmos and the daisies. I think I used 8 bushes of each of the flowers. I'll use hot glue to attach them to the crossbars of the base and the twine. I'm sorry, I guess I forgot to press the record button on the camera to show you the gluing process, but it's the same as what I did on the bunny flower wreath. I'll post a link in the notes just in case you want to reference the how. Once the form is full, use a heat gun or hair dryer to get rid of all the glue strings. To make sure that all the flowers are set, turn over the base and add more hot glue to reinforce the connection between the flowers and the base. And once that's done, take the 2 rabbits and remove the banners on both. We'll be using both of the banners, so try to keep those intact, and one of the rabbits. Keep the twine hanger. We're going to be using that to hang the bunny. Add the hot glue to the area of the bunny where we remove the banner and affix the top of the carrot. Snake more of the twine or the tie underneath the bunny and through the base of the carrot and secure in the back. I think this looks pretty cute. Now if any of the flowers fall off, re-glue. Now's the time to add the banners to the front of the carrot. First the happy at an angle with a little bit of hot glue on the back. And now the spring. Cute, no? I'm hitting it with my heat gun again to remove the strings. I think this bunny carrot looks really cute, but I think it needs something. So I'm going to take the grass bunches and tuck them behind the rabbit. I'm going to really glue those bunches down. Maybe one more piece of grass. I'll just remove the butterflies and insert it into the little tie area. Now I know no one will see the back, but I want to make sure that the back doesn't scratch the door. So I've cut a piece of felt to cover the area of the rabbit with the grass and the ties. That just kind of finishes it off nicely. I think this carrot door decor looks so cute, and it's a big piece. It's hard to show the whole thing all at once, but here it is. It'll make a great statement piece for your door or your side window. And it was easy too. I hope you liked this video, and click like and subscribe if you do. Have a great day.